Picture this. It's a frantic morning. You're already running late for a crucial appointment. You dash to your car, keys in hand, mentally calculating the minutes you have to spare. You jump in, ready to go. You turn the key, but instead of the engine roaring to life, you hear that dreaded gut-wrenching click click click. Nothing. A dead battery has just brought your entire day to a screeching halt, leaving you stranded and stressed. It feels sudden and completely random, but here's the secret. Car batteries rarely die without warning. For days, maybe even weeks, your vehicle has likely been sending out subtle distress signals, quiet cries for help that are easy to miss if you don't know what to look or listen for. That's exactly why we're here today. I'm going to show you the 5 key warning signs that your car battery is on its last legs. Think of this as learning your car's language. We'll cover everything from slow engine cranks to mysterious electrical gremlins that seem to have a mind of their own. By the end of this video, you'll be empowered to spot trouble before it leaves you stranded. You'll gain peace of mind, save money on emergency callouts, and most importantly, you'll never be caught off guard by a dead battery again. Let's get started. Warning sign number 1. Your engine cranks slowly. When your battery is weak, it can't provide enough power to turn the starter motor quickly. If you hear that sluggish cranking sound, especially in cold weather, your battery is telling you it's time for attention. Warning sign number 2. Dim or flickering headlights. But it's not just your headlights. Check your dashboard lights and interior lighting too. When your battery is weak, it struggles to power multiple electrical systems at once. Alright, let's talk about warning sign number 3, that little red battery icon that suddenly lights up on your dashboard. It's a sight that can instantly cause a spike of anxiety, right? Most people immediately think, oh no, my battery's dead. But hold on, because that's not always the case. This light is technically a charging system warning. While a failing battery can trigger it, it more frequently signals a problem with your alternator. Think of the alternator as your car's own personal power plant. When the engine is running, the alternator generates electricity to power everything from your headlights to your radio, and most importantly, it recharges your battery. So when that light comes on, it means the alternator has likely stopped working. Your car is now running entirely on the battery's stored power, which is a finite resource. It's like unplugging your phone and watching the battery percentage tick down. To maximize the time you have, immediately turn off all non-essential electronics, the radio, the air conditioning, heated seats, and even unplug your phone charger. This could give you the crucial extra minutes you need to get to a mechanic or pull over safely. Other potential culprits could be a snapped serpentine belt, which drives the alternator, or even severely corroded battery terminals preventing a proper connection. Whatever the cause, this isn't a light you can ignore. Driving with it on is a gamble, and you'll eventually lose when the battery is completely drained, leaving you stranded. Get it diagnosed by a professional without delay. Our 4th warning sign is a 2-part sensory alert, things you can see and things you can smell. Let's start with your eyes. Pop the hood and take a close look at your battery terminals where the cables connect. If you see a crusty white or blue-green buildup, you're looking at corrosion. This is essentially crystallized battery acid. It happens when hydrogen gas, which is naturally released from the battery, reacts with the metal terminals. While it might just look messy, this buildup is a major problem. It acts as an insulator, choking the flow of electricity from your battery to your car. This resistance can prevent your car from starting and put extra strain on your charging system. The good news is, if caught early, you can clean this yourself. With the engine off, put on protective gloves and eyewear. You can neutralize the acid by scrubbing the terminals with a paste of baking soda and water. But remember, heavy or recurring corrosion means the battery is likely failing and needs a professional check. Now for the second, more urgent sensory clue, the smell. If you get a whiff of rotten eggs or sulfur near your battery, this is a serious red flag. That distinct odor is hydrogen sulfide gas, and it means your battery is overheating and leaking sulfuric acid. This could be due to overcharging, an internal short, or simply the end of its life. This is not a DIY situation. The gas is flammable and toxic, and the leaking acid is highly corrosive. Do not attempt to drive the car or handle the battery. It needs to be replaced immediately by a professional, so always trust your eyes and your nose when it comes to battery health. But sometimes the most critical signs aren't visible at all. In fact, age alone can be a telling factor. Warning sign number 5, your battery is simply getting old. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. If your battery is approaching that age range, it's smart to start planning for replacement. So, what should you do with this information? Don't wait until you're stranded. Get your battery tested at any auto parts store. Most places will test it for free, giving you valuable peace of mind.